This is basically a rule that has been set by La Liga official, which is the FFP. This is the FF, the Federal Fund, and it has been set to club to by La Liga to clubs, just in on how they're going to spend their money on transfer windows, salary, wages, and stuff like that. So basically, what it means when your club is under the one-to-one rule, it means they can spend every dollar that they earn or serve. So let's say, for example, when a club earns or serves like 20 million euros, they get to spend that exact amount. They get to spend 20 million euros. Back then, previously, Barcelona was under a 4-to-1 rule, which is when you don't get to spend the the exact amount that that you earn yourself. So let's say if a club if a club serves like 10 million euros, right? They get to spend for 10% of that, which is like 4 million euros, and they don't get to spend the whole amount, right? So hence why Barcelona had those problems of registering guys like Paul Victor, Paul Kubasi, Gavi, and Dani Olmo. They had problems with that. So now this really gives me excitement to see Barcelona be another one-to-one group. I don't know how authentic or how real this news is, but hopefully I hope Barcelona is under the one-to-one rule, because we need to restructure our team. Not really, our team is good, it's good enough, it's solid, but there are a lot of players that we need to sign in, and we can only sign those the caliber of players that we need to sign. We can only sign them only if we are under the one-to-one rule, right?